Hi guys, Renz here once again, and I am back with another hair tutorial. So for today, I will be teaching you on how to use a curling iron in 3 different hairstyles. So last time I taught you how to use a flat iron, kung paano siya gamitin, and like different ways on how to use it. So this time I will teach you 3 different hairstyles on how to use a curling iron. And for today, I will be using the GHD Curve. This is a 32mm size. You can use any brand of curling iron for this. So this is my preference, GHD, because this is like the best curling iron that you can use. So this is very professional. This is a bit expensive, but you can use like Babyliss, you can use whatever brand you have. So yeah, let's do it. So for this first hairstyle, I will be teaching you the glam celebrity waves that everyone has been doing. Lahat ng mga celebrities ginagawa to. Ito yung parang go-to namin na hair pagdating sa mga celebrities. So we have our model right here. Ito na siya. So basically, before you curl your hair, make sure to prep your hair with your hairspray, with your dry shampoo, with your texturizing spray, and then you blow dry your hair para lang meron siyang hold, para at least pag curl mo siya, hindi siya babagsak agad. So for this hairstyle, you have to section your hair randomly. So ngayon, I will just take random sections and then curl it kasi para mas natural yung curls niya. You would take your curling iron and then you place it under the hair, and then you twist it a bit, and then you twist it one more, and then this is what I do. I just turn it around para lahat ng hair nasa loob siya nung clip. Then hold that in. Siguro mga 10 seconds is fine. Or siguro when you touch the hair, and then release it. So there you go. I do recommend on pinning it in. So ayan, let's pin it in. So there, that's the first curl, and then let's do another one over here. So again, take your curling iron and then put it under, and then twist it, and then make sure that all of the hair is under the clip. And then hold it in for 10 seconds, then release it. Yeah. For this time, I will like clip it para mas voluptuous yung hair. There we go. And then the other side, the trick is to do the hair, the curl should be going away from the face para mas maganda yung framing ng face ng model natin. In this case, yung mannequin. So this part, then make sure na lahat ng hair is underneath the clip. And then clip it in. This time naman, kanina di ba under, ngayon over naman tayo para away from the face yung curl. And then we will clip this in again. So one last sa front. But I suggest with you guys, when you're doing hair, you always do the front first para nakaset na siya. So you can set the hair first. So unahin niyo yung harap, yung naka-frame sa face like this. Unahin niyo yung nakaharap para nakaset na siya. So pag ginagawa niyo yung likod, nagsaset na yung hair dito sa harap. And clip it in again. Yeah, it should look like this. And for the back part, I don't like usually curl all the way up to here. I curl from here pababa para you don't lose the length of the hair. Randomly picking out sections. Clip ulit. So ito yung curl na parang go-to ko with like endorsements, mga TV shows, ganyan. Pag gusto nila, ganda-gandahan lang sila, ganun. So very useful yung hairstyle na to pag nagsistyle ka ng mga tao. So yun, nakaset na siya, everything's set, and then you have to let it cool down for maybe mga 10 minutes. So, wait lang, bahala mo na kayo dyan. Kaya mo na yan. Dun 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 dun. So, after 10 minutes, nakaset pa din siya. So, let's remove the clips. Ayan. O, diba? Tsaka mas magsa-stay longer yung hair, yung mga curls mo if you set it. Yan, anong hair mo, girl? Pero yung makeup mo, ba't ganyan? May tawag nga sila Antea. Antea, makeupan nyo naman siya. Tignan mo. Yung kilay, ba't gano'n? So, anyway, ito na yung curls pag tinanggal sa set. Ayan. Ayan na siya. And then, we will brush it out using a wide tooth na comb. Or you can use a brush as well. Pwede din. But ako, I prefer this one para hindi masyadong nahihilo yung hair. Just brush it out. Tapos minsan, merong ganyan, hindi sumasama, hindi sumusunod yung ibang hair. Like, ito oh, that's normal. So, we will just go through it with the curling iron again. Mabilis lang. With the front. So, this is your Celebrity Glam Waves using curling iron. So, with this hairstyle, pwede mo rin siyang i-tease ng very light. So, ito, and then you will tease it a bit. And here she is! Ito na yung Celebrity Glam Waves na lagi nating nakikita sa mga celebrities. So, we are done with you. Thank you. We are done with you. So, bye. So, we have here another model. Kapatid niya yata to, pero siya yung parang kapatid na pinagpala. Siya yung mas maganda. Bakit ganon? So anyway, for this hairstyle, I will be teaching you how to do the old Hollywood waves na I love doing na nakita mo na ginawa ko kay Pia, ginawa ko kay Kylie, ano pa siya ginawa? Kay Colleen. Basta, marami akong ginawa na hairstyle na ganito. So anyway, I will teach you how to do that with your curling iron pa din. So let's start off by sectioning the hair with this hairstyle. Medyo importante yung sectioning and then yung sa set ng hair. So we will take small sections. Medyo mas maliit yung sections na to kasi mas tighter yung curls na gusto natin. So this works better if you have bangs kasi parang mas mag-hold yung curl and then kailangan gusto natin yung S na curl dun sa hair na nag-frame sa face. So from here, babalik siyang ganyan. So yun yung ina-achieve natin. So you just curl your hair back like a normal curl na ganyan. So gagawa lang kayo ng ribbon curls. So, very important yung top part nito. Kasi sa baba medyo okay lang. Pero important yung front and then yung top part nitong hairstyle na to. So there, let it sit for like 10-15 seconds or until mainit na siya to the touch. So let it sit there and then clip it in again. There, medyo maingat ka lang sa clip para hindi siya magkaroon ng crease after. So, done na yung top part. For the side naman, you want the curls, you want the sections going downwards naman. So this is going backwards and then this part is going downwards. Take a small section, then do your ribbon curls. Walang twisting to unlike the other one. That in place and then we will do the other side again, same lang nung sa other side na going downwards and then sa likod going downwards then. So let's do it. So ito yung hairstyle na nakita nyo lagi sa mga red carpet and then mga old Hollywood movies. Sa mga old Hollywood movies, medyo mas tighter yung ginagawa nila before, but now like to make it more modern, we wanted like more loose and more relaxed na old Hollywood waves para mas chill lang unlike yung before. So maganda pag pupunta kayo ng mga red carpet event, sa grocery, ganyan. Or pupunta kayo sa tindahan, bibili kayo ng suka. Siyempre dapat maganda yung hair mo kasi naka-mask ka na lang. So dapat yung hair na lang yung maganda. Tama ba? So like what I'm doing, the back part, medyo ilalim lang siya. To keep the length and para mas relaxed yung hair. So sa back, what I like to do is to set everything all together para maging isang buong wave lang siya sa likod. And then again, let it set for like 10 minutes. Tapos, tsaka natin i-release. So, 10 minutes. Wait lang. So after 10 minutes, after the curls have cooled down, pag ginawa mo siya, medyo malamig na siya. Hindi na siya mainit like kanina. Tatanggalin na natin siya sa mga pins, one by one. So the curl should be going like this side, going towards the face to get that old Hollywood look. Ayan, so tanggal na siya. And then the trick here is to put your hairspray sa brush. So, spray ka ng hairspray sa brush. And then, slowly we'll start the curls forming its shape. And then for this side, medyo mahirap. So, lipat ko siya dito. Brush it. And then this part, kailangan lang natin yung S-wave na going up here and then going towards the eyebrows. So, yung iba, pwede mo siyang itis. Like you can back comb this part para medyo nakakat siya. Then you can use the creaseless na clips to hold that in place. Para hindi siya gumalaw. So ito medyo mahirap. It's like you're guiding the curls para mag-frame yung face niya. Clip natin yan in place. For now, because this part, gusto ko mas malaki siya. We can back comb the bottom part para mas malaki. And there we go. But for me, medyo nalulumaan kasi ako sa ganitong look. So, what I do is I clip this part back. Medyo nakakamatanda siya eh. For me, I clip this back sa middle ng ear para natakpan pa rin yung ear niya after. So you want that very soft wave, very feminine, sweet lang, ganun. So with this hairstyle, I recommend like a very strong hairspray para to hold the style in place kasi madali siyang magulo and like it's very fixed. Like the old Hollywood movies and mga celebrities. So here we go. This is the old Hollywood hair using the same curling iron. For the third hairstyle, beach waves naman yung gagawin natin. Perfect for summer, perfect for Zoom meetings, perfect for grocery kasi yun na lang yung life natin. So for this hairstyle, this is a very relaxed, beachy waves. We will be using the same curling iron. So for this hairstyle, you take your curling iron. Okay, I'll call this the twist and pull. So you basically take your curling iron and then you twist it, and then you pull it after. You do one curl and then you pull it after like that. And then you do one curl again, let it sit for a bit and then pull it after. And then one more, pull it after. And then you pull it downwards. So yan, medyo mas flat yung mangyayari na curl. And then, yeah, let's do another one. So ito yung hairstyle na kunyari, parang gusto mo na parang cool girl, relax lang, effortless. Ito yun. So fun fact, nung college, bago mag-class, pag wala pa yung mga prof, may dala akong curling iron o kaya plancha. Tapos kinukulot ko yung mga classmates ko dati. Tapos pagdating ng mga prof, hindi kami tumitigil. Kasi hindi pa buo eh, half pa lang eh. So kailangan mabuo siya. So feeling ko doon ako na-train na mag-hair. Tapos also during college, nag-hairstyle na ako sa mga shoots. Like may dala akong isang maletang pang-hair, ganyan. Tapos punta akong class. Tapos kalahati lang yung class yung attend ako kasi may shoot na ako after. So once you curled everything, mukha na siyang noodles. Ayan, mukha na siyang noodles na patay. So what I like to do is to shake it off, sabi ni Taylor Swift, shake it off. So tatanggalin mo yung ulo. Like so. So pag may client ka, may ulo na ganyan. But no. Pa-tilt mo lang yung head niya pababa. And then flip it. And there you have your beach waves using the same curling iron. 3 different hairstyles. This is the third one. So, there. So there you have it, guys. 3 hairstyles with 1 curling iron. 3 different hairstyles. Super magkakaiba sila. Don't you think? I love all these 3. Ito yung parang top 3 ko na go-to na hairstyles kapag I'm using a curling iron like this. So anyway, I hope you guys did learn something. Sana naman sa 3 hairstyles na ginawa ko, may natutunan kayo. So if you guys like this kind of video, please do hit the subscribe button. Show me some love naman. And also, please do comment down below kung may mga gusto pa kayong malaman about hairstyling, about anything, about me, about my love life, about my love life. So yun, anyway, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to get notified para sa next week's vlog at 6 p.m. on Sunday. And with that, see you all next time. Bye!